Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to activate HDFC Bank debit card for online transactions like domestic and international transactions, and also I show the steps to change your debit card usage limit. So anyway, how to do it? So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, click to access this HDFC netbanking official site and don't forget to log in your netbanking account. And my dashboard is ready to use. So now in this section, in top it shows the all categories. So here you can go to card section. So if you access this section, in left side it shows some more subcategory. So here you can press this request arrow mark and scroll down. And then I get the one option called set card controls or usage limits. So just press this section. And it asks for my debit card, so I select it and click to continue. But here I already set this domestic as well as international usage limits. So at same time, if you like to set this limit in first time, just press daily domestic usage or limits and then customize this section by one, and always enable this ATM usage. And here I set the current ATM usage limit as 1 lakh. So if you want to change it, just put the new amount. And the next one is point of sale and the POS limit, and this is for your choice. And also enable this online usage, and if you buy anything from online shopping websites, this option is very mandatory one. And the final one is contactless usage. So my best suggestion is don't use this feature because this is not a safe one. So once you change this domestic limit and also go to international usage limits, so same way you can change your usage limit for international transactions. And here also I disable this contactless usage. So once you change these limits, and finally don't forget to save these changes. So anyway, overall I explained about domestic and international transactions for the HDFC debit card users. So if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.